Trying to add the fog light wire. It's supposed to be number 5 here. I guess you have to take this cover off to put the new wire in, so I'm going to attempt to do that now. So, managed to just grab it from the edge here with the fingernail, lift it up just a little bit. That's all it takes. It slides in, clicks in, and press it closed again. So I ran the positive to the positive. It was kind of a bitch to get off, some sort of lock nut, but it will eventually come all the way off. And so instead of going to the negative on the battery, I just went to the negative on the frame there. Got fog lights. And go to Central Electronics. Go down to byte 21. Front fog lights. So it's not installed. Installed. Could do fog lights with high beams. DRL and fog lights on already.